Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this project is designed here, and this body is designed. And guys, this is a globe valve, a simple part and a portion of design here. This is a globe valve body design here, and how to this body is designed easily, and all process is learn here. Okay, this body is a globe valve body is design here, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a multi-section view is you can see here, and this is isometric view is correct. Okay, this body is a globe wall body is designer, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. Okay, let's start this body is design here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and select a part. Okay, this is a correct, and select a YZ plane. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a position sketch is design. Position sketch is select here, and okay, this is a correct, and all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, at first drawing this arc, click here and draw this arc is a this is a perfect, drawing any arc. Okay, at first select this is a correct. Okay, and this is a mention any dimension, and dimension is a this point to this line. Okay, this is a delete here, and mention any dimension, and this is a correct, and okay, 125 is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this okay, this is a 256 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and select this offset command is select here, and this is a click this okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is offset command is select here, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and select okay, and select this profile is drawing here, and draw any okay, any profile is drawing here. This is a correct, and select this, and again this is a vertical line is, and this is a correct, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and okay, and again select this profile and drawing this point to this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, looking here, and this is a correct. Okay, but this point is a okay, some reduce. This is a correct. Okay, and this is a use a this trim and this point, and this is a correct, and again select this this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a copy here, select all point this, and all is select here, and this is a correct, and use a this is a mirror is user, and this is a okay. This is a correct. And again select this trim, extend trim. Okay, this trim is a trim, and again select this line, and this is a correct. And again select this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect. And mention any dimension and double click here. Okay, this is a perfect. And select at first this point, this is a 4 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again select this is a this point is a 24 is correct. Okay, and again select this is a 5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select okay, at first select this point and mention this distance between, this is a 132 is correct. And again select this is a this okay, this is a perfect. Select this point, this line, and this line distance between this is a 98 is correct. Okay, and select this line, and this is a distance between this is a 68 is correct. Okay, and all is okay, this is a 68 is correct. And this line is a better, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and mention this this distance and this distance between this is a 368 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and at first click a corner is a this line, and select this is a corner is this is a 15. Okay, this is a 12 millimeter is correct. And again select this corner is this is a this corner is a this is a 12 millimeter is also correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and all is drawing this is a correct. But some okay, and this point is a this distance is a only this is a 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, but this is a delete here, and this is a distance between this and this is a 18 millimeter is correct. But again select a concentricity is apply here, and this right click this concentricity is this is a okay, and all green color is a this means all is a fully defined is correct. And select any axis is a drawing here, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, and this axis is drawing here, and all is perfect. And this is a all is green color means this is a fully defined, and all is perfect. And at first select a this is a perfect, and this is a exit, and okay, this is a correct. And control Z, and this is a undo is a perfect. And this is a okay, and exit, this is a correct. Okay, all is fully defined and all is correct, and then exit and use this shaft command is used here, and all is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and all is, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a preview is showing here, this is a correct, and click OK. Okay, all is correct, and this axis is a hide because this board is looking perfect. And this is a material is apply here, shading with material is click here and apply any material is okay. Material is a, this is a steel is correct, but this steel is right click and this property going to property, and okay, all is perfect, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a material is, this is a perfect, and all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a globe, this globe wall body is design here, and this all is dimension, and all is process is learn here easily. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct. Okay, and guys, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.